These are so good. They're called Roti Sardin Goreng or Roti Sardin Roll Goreng, if you like. Roti is the generic name for bread. Goreng is fry, to fry or fried. Sardine is sardines. And roll is roll. So we've got regular bread stuffed with sardines and fried. Now, I'm not usually one for fried food, but hey, the occasional indulgence is so good. It's such an easy recipe to make. Really doesn't take you more than perhaps 30 minutes. When it's done, slice it up in half or serve it as a full roll. Have some salad on the side if you like. Have some tomato ketchup or chili sauce or even mayonnaise. Let's go take a look at how it's done. Now, if your sardines are not boneless, that's the first thing we're going to do. Get rid of those soft bones in the middle. Don't worry too much if your sardines fall apart because we will be mashing it up somewhat when we're cooking. So once that's done, we start with frying our onions, chopped onions for about a minute, and then we add our chilies. You can add more chilies or just a little to keep it mild or make it spicy. Then you add your sardines and cook it for a few minutes until you get a dryish mixture because you don't want it to be too runny. When your sardines are a little dry, add your lime juice in it and some chopped coriander leaves. Stir it all through. And if you want to be a little bit more indulgent, add a tablespoon of mayonnaise to this sardine filling. Leave it aside to cool slightly while you prepare your bread slices. So take a rolling pin and flatten those bread slices. You could get rid of the crust if you prefer. This is completely up to you. Pay attention to the corners. You want the edges flat to be able to roll it up easily. Now fill your bread slices with a spoonful of your sardine filling. Wet the edges with some beaten egg and then roll it up tightly and place it aside with the seam side down. And repeat with the rest of the bread slices. With the ingredients that I'm giving you below the video here, you should be able to get about 8 rolls altogether. Just fill, roll, and set aside. Complete this with all the bread slices. Then you heat your oil on medium heat. Dip your bread rolls, your sardine rolls in your egg and place them into your hot oil. Fry each roll for about 2 minutes each side. If you think they're getting too brown too quickly, lower the heat slightly. Once done, fish them out of the hot oil and drain on a plate lined with kitchen paper. And finish the rest of the rolls. Leave to cool slightly before serving them sliced or whole. That's completely up to you. There you go. Easy, wasn't it? So, Roti Sardin Goreng. Fried sardine bread. It's a roll, so you could add the word roll in the name if you wanted to. Have fun. Enjoy it. I shall see you guys real soon.